Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Janie. If you're new here, I do videos on Build-A-Bear, Squishmallow, Squishables, Loungefly, basically anything that I think is cute. If you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're going to talk about Disney's new line of stuffed animals. These are scented plush and they are called Munchlings. So there are blind boxes and there are these 14-inch stuffed animals. So I did talk about the blind boxes last week. If you're interested in that, I'll link that in the cards as well as down below. These blind boxes have a bunch of cute versions of the large ones as well as different ones that I really wish were available in a larger size. These are super cute and I am considering buying more of these because I don't want to have them all, but there are a couple that I really love. So I'm going to get started on these 14-inch plushies. They are big. They're a lot bigger than I thought. I heard 14 inches and honestly didn't really think much of it because I have like 16-inch Squishmallow, but these are big boys and they're actually really nice in my opinion. So the first one right here is Winnie the Pooh. This is the smallest version and it's also kind of flatter than the others, I guess because it's supposed to resemble a little honey cake, I believe. Yeah, honey cake Winnie the Pooh. And I'm gonna be honest, the scents on these are not strong at all. If you go on Shop Disney's website, that's probably the #1 complaint from people. I really only got these because they look cute. Like, look at that detail. Look how fun this is. That's why I picked these up. Scent wise, I knew that they were going to either be artificial or they weren't going to really smell much to begin with. From my own experience, I would say if you are familiar with like Build-A-Bear scents, that's a lot stronger than what you're getting with this. The scent is so light, but honestly, I still really enjoy these and I feel like the scent is strongest at the top of the head of each of these stuffed animals. But yes, this is Winnie the Pooh. It's a honey bun. And I like the swirl detailing. I just think it looks really cute. I think I'm gonna have to lean it against the wall to kind of have it propped up nicely, unless like I have it flat, which I'd rather not do. But really cute. This is the detailing in the back as well. Here's what the tag looks like. And yeah, this is probably my least favorite only because the others are so incredibly cute and large and fun. But we're gonna get to them. Alright, the next one is huge. This is a pineapple upside down Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Whoa, how beautiful is this? First of all, the cherry on top is absolutely adorable, but also the ears are so nicely done. Like, they don't close, they don't flop down, they're held up really nicely and they kind of flap a little. So when you see this kind of sitting down somewhere, it's such a beautiful, nicely created stuffed animal. I love the coloring, I love the little nose, the little feet. I just think it's very unique, it's very beautiful, it's such a nice collector's item. And in terms of scent, like I said, I smell it more at the top. Looking at the description, it's supposed to smell like pineapple since it's a pineapple upside down cake, and I do smell it a little. Honestly, it kind of smells like a less appealing version of a lip smacker, like that kind of like artificial fruity smell, but also it's very light. And I feel like if you're sensitive to scents, it's not going to be a problem because I can anticipate this kind of wearing off sooner than expected. But I like it. These came wrapped in plastic. I saw someone do a review on Shop Disney's website where they said that they wish they came in a box because maybe the scent would be better contained within it. But when I ordered these online, it just came in plastic. How cute though. Alright, next one we have is Baymax. Baymax is, again, huge. Like, it's such a weird thing to say because yeah, they're 14 inches, but when you see them here, they're so wide and large that it's quite interesting. So Baymax is a s'more and I really like how the texture of the graham crackers is different than his actual body. I like the little chocolate detailing of it melting and his little rosy cheeks. Baymax is so cute. I barely remember that movie. I'm definitely gonna have to rewatch it because that's a movie that I just wasn't into initially. Premise seems cute and Baymax is adorable. So let's see about his scent. I smelled it earlier. I want to say this is one of the stronger scented ones for me. If you saw my other video about the blind boxes, I did get Baymax. I just don't even have a good sense of smell either, so that doesn't help the situation at all. I was giving them to my husband and he was smelling them yesterday because he has a way stronger smell. You know what's interesting? I'm looking for Baymax on the website and I don't see him. So I don't know if he's sold out or not. That's weird, right? Yeah, I'm not finding him on the website. He could have temporarily sold out. I see a different Baymax plushie. I think Baymax is supposed to be like a graham cracker, like a s'more, like chocolatey. And I do smell a slight smell of it, but I will say the little blind box one was a lot stronger in scent than this one is. Now we're moving on to Minnie Mouse. Really beautiful cupcake. It's like a strawberry cupcake, so she has a big pink bow with polka dots as well as a strawberry in the center. She has sprinkles on the rest of her face. Cute little blush, nice little eyelashes, and I like the attention to detailing with the cupcake liner that she is in. So these all really do look like baked treats. And in terms of smell, I want to say she is stronger than Baymax is. You can smell some strawberryness right at the top of her head. Adorable. Honestly, really cute detailing. I just love the whole aspect of this, and like the design goes all the way around, and I think she's just perfect. I think she's gonna look really, really nice on an actual shelving unit. If you're new to this channel, I'm running out of space, but for these I'm figuring it out. I know the exact IKEA furniture piece that I want to put them on, like right at the top, because they're absolutely adorable. And it kind of sucks because that was meant for some of my favorite Squishmallows, but I'm gonna have to bump them just a little because I think these are so fun, so beautiful, and they are cuddly. Obviously they're not gonna be the same like Squishmallow or Build-A-Bears because those have more of a normal body, and these are, you know, obviously supposed to be like shaped as treats. But I think you can hug them, and I think the more you hug them, the more the smell comes out. As I was doing that, I could smell her a lot more. So I think they're just really cute. They're really fun, and you don't need them all, obviously. I just did them all because I feel like I had to complete the collection, and honestly, it was a whim. I was at work. I was fighting for my life because I thought these were all going to sell out, and as of now, they're all available with the exception of Baymax. And who knows, they might pop up on the website soon enough anyway. So I haven't unboxed Mickey Mouse yet, so this is how it came when I said it came in plastic. This is the kind of plastic I was talking about, and the box was huge because I ordered them all, so they shoved it all in one box. Alrighty, this is Mickey Mouse. Super cute. Is he supposed to be a Cinnabon? Or a funnel cake, I think, right? Alright, so yeah, I just looked it up. He is funnel cake. I barely smell anything, but how cute. Oh my goodness. Alright, I have to like move back a little so that the camera can really capture it. I love the color. I love the frosting, the glaze of it all. I just think it's super cute. The face is adorable. The sizing. Let me see if I hit it a couple times if I could get a smell. Barely anything. Because these are advertised as scented plushes, I definitely understand people's frustration with it not smelling very strong. But for me, like I said, it was all about the aesthetics. So I am super duper happy, even though I want to say he's one of the least smelling plushes that I got. And I'm sure that also depends on the batches and what goes on when they're being made. I saw some people returning them, hoping that the next one's going to be better scented. I doubt it. I think like it will be, but then it's all going to fade away eventually. I am a big fan, and I have a feeling these are not going to sell well because of the fact that the scents aren't that strong, which is such a shame, but they're just so cute. I just can't believe it. So let's just quickly do another recap. We have Mickey Mouse, the funnel cake. We have Stitch, the pineapple upside down cake. We have Winnie the Pooh, who is the honey roll. We have Baymax, which is a s'more, and then we have Minnie Mouse, which is like a little strawberry treat. Absolutely adorable. I'm super happy about these. So now that I've showed you each one of them, let's do a price breakdown. I have my receipt right here. Just keep in mind when I placed this order, I also ordered the blind boxes, which made it even more expensive than it needed to be, and it's a shame. I get why they're doing blind boxes. I talked about this in a previous video. I think it's a way of getting people to shop more because you're gonna want to keep going until you find the one that you want, which for me is these right here. Okay, so I placed this order on September 9th, and let's see. So each one of these plushes is $34.99. They are medium size. They are 14 inches and a half. For the honey bun, for Mickey Mouse, the cinnamon bun. Oh, he's a cinnamon bun. So the title, so for Mickey Mouse, the title says cinnamon bun, but when I look at the thing, it actually says funnel cake, like in terms of the scent, so just keep that in mind. Minnie Mouse strawberry cupcake, that is 16 inches. Winnie the Pooh, the honey cake, is 18 inches. The Stitch pineapple upside down cake is 18 inches. Baymax is 16 inches and a half. So those were all $34.99, like I said. And then for the Disney Munchlings, those are like 4 inches, and they are $16.99 each. I got one for the baked treats, one for the frozen treats. So my total was $208, and then the shipping was free because I used that code. $75 is like the minimum for you to get free shipping, and you have to use the code for it, which is annoying because that means if there's ever another code, you can't mix or match them. The sales tax is $18.50, which brought up my total to be $227.43, and I saved $17.95 because of the free shipping. So yep, it's not the cheapest, and I could have gotten these in stores, but I think at the time that this launched, Disney, like the store, was having issues. Because my friend told me that, but also I looked at their Google reviews, and I guess they were closed for a couple days because of escalator issues and like repairs and stuff like that. So it's a good thing I didn't try to just get them all in person, because first of all, I wouldn't have been able to carry them all, and second of all, they were closed a large majority of the time, and Times Square is such a crowded area that it's so hard just to walk 2 blocks in the heart of Times Square. It just takes forever. It's so long, it's so crowded, it's so disgusting. I hate that square, and I'm so sad that they closed down so many Disney stores because it's so much easier to shop in person, and it's obviously a lot cheaper because you're saving on that shipping. But nonetheless, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you later this week. I'm gonna see you on Wednesday with another video where we are talking about Sanrio. So stay tuned, and until next time, bye.